To export a board in Trello, you first need to log in using your credentials. If you're new to Trello, you'll need to sign up by clicking the Sign Up option and following the on-screen instructions. Exporting data from a Trello board is useful for backup purposes, sharing information, or analyzing data outside of Trello. Regularly exporting your board ensures you have a backup in case of accidental deletion or if the board becomes inaccessible. To start, you may want to create your first board by clicking the Create Board button, choosing a title, and selecting the visibility, Private, where only members can see the board, Workspace, where you can invite collaborators, or Public, where anyone on the internet can view the board. You can also start with a template to make it easier. Once you've created your board, you can explore its features. To export your board, you'll need to add a power-up. Click on Power-ups, and then Add Power-ups, and search for Board Export in the search bar. Click Add, and follow the on-screen instructions to authorize the app. You'll need to sign in with Trello. Allow the app to access your board, and click Next, and then Take me to my board. Once you've added the Board Export power-up, you'll see an option that says Board Export with a drop-down menu. You can select all the information you want to export, including lists and cards. Exporting your board allows you to access your Trello data offline, which is useful during travel or in areas with poor internet connectivity. You can choose the format you want to export in, such as PDF, PNG, CSV, or Excel, and remove any parts of the field that are not relevant. Exporting your board can serve as a strategic operational need, making it a valuable feature for teams and organizations.